Hi guys, today we'll show you how to hide and like comments. This feature will help you in hiding all comments and automatically like all comments on your post. First, log into Kaojao and then choose Manage Page and Auto Response System option. Next, choose the page that you want to hide comments or like comments, then click on Manage. In the Auto Reply section, go to Comment Replies. In the default comment reply, there will be three options for you, which are reply to every comment, hide every comment, like every comment. To hide comments, turn on hide every comment. To like comments, turn on like every comment. And here is how an example of the hide comment and like comment will be look like. As you can see, the hidden comments will be almost transparent, and the liked comments will have the thumbnail here. That's it.